Welcome to the E-commerce Microsimulation. In this simulation, we take on the role of a founder, building a sustainable fashion brand in the online marketplace. Our goal is to grow the business while balancing financial performance, customer experience, and operational efficiency. Every decision we make will influence the brand's profitability, reputation, customer satisfaction, and long-term scalability. Upon entering the simulation, we will see various tabs: Game Arena, Readings, Forum, and Leaderboard. Our initial move should be to head to the Readings tab, where we are provided with the necessary reading material and a video tutorial. Following that, we engage with the Forum, where we can interact with the professor either individually or with the entire course. Lastly, there is the Leaderboard tab, where we can track our position at the end of each round and compare our performance with fellow participants. It is recommended to regularly check the leaderboard and forum after each round to stay up to date with simulation developments. Before making any decisions, we return to the game arena and explore the introduction and market sections to review insights about consumer trends, competition, and brand positioning. The Food for Thought segment will also guide our decision-making by providing reflective questions. Answering these is mandatory and essential for progress. Then we move into the catalog section. Here we shape our product lineup by selecting items that align with our sustainability values and customer expectations. We choose suppliers by evaluating multiple factors. We estimate monthly sales, set our markups, and determine inventory levels based on demand forecasts and seasonal variations. Next, we enter the marketing section. This is where we design our brand narrative and choose which digital campaigns to invest in. We decide how to split our marketing budget across platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, email, and broader branding activities. Our messaging should reflect our sustainability mission, product quality, and the community we want to build. The effectiveness of our marketing decisions will influence engagement, customer acquisition, and return on ad spend. From there, we will continue to the experience section. This part of the simulation focuses on enhancing our website and improving conversion rates. We may enable features such as scarcity indicators, personalized recommendations, exit intent pop-ups, or simplified checkout tools. We will also set up our customer support approach to ensure timely assistance and improved satisfaction. These decisions help create a seamless and enjoyable shopping experience. Our next step is the operations section. Here, we will select packaging that aligns with our sustainability goals while considering cost implications. We will choose a logistics partner based on speed, reliability, and coverage. We will invest in the operational tools that best support our growth, such as CRM systems, inventory management tools, or transparency solutions. Strong back-end operations contribute to smooth delivery, reduced costs, and higher customer trust. After making all our decisions, we visit the decision checklist to review the choices we've made. If we wish to revise any decision, we simply navigate back to the respective decision-making area. Once we are satisfied with our decisions, we submit them by clicking Submit and Confirm. By selecting Save and Proceed. In the Report section, participants can access detailed insights into our reasoning, financial performance, customer engagement, and operational effectiveness. We will see how our choices impacted key metrics such as average order value, return on ad spend, bounce rate, and customer satisfaction. The Synopsis section provides an overall summary of key decision areas and outcomes, helping us refine future strategies. Good luck!